is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how to make my easy, delicious, healthy, refreshing fruit smoothie. If you're new here, I'm Diva Decorating, and welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back. On this channel, I like to do glam DIYs, room tours, shopping hauls, tablescapes, and much more. So if you like that kind of thing, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started with this fruit smoothie. You're going to need some frozen strawberries, pineapples, and blueberries, and bananas if you would like. I don't have any bananas on hand today, so I will not be putting any in mine. I'm going to use what I have. You're also going to need some light, non-fat vanilla yogurt, or you can use the yogurt of your choice. You're going to need some almond milk, some vanilla extract, some honey, and some cinnamon. And I will have all of those ingredients listed down below in my description box. So let's get started making this smoothie. Okay, I'm going to start by putting my milk in. You want to put your wet ingredients in first, and then I'm going to put my yogurt in. This yogurt is so delicious, guys, and it's dairy-free, gluten-free. I'm going to bring the camera up a little bit. There we go. And we're going to add our vanilla extract. And we'll add our honey next. And I am using a organic tropical honey. And you can find this at your local grocery store. Next, I'm going to put in my cinnamon. And this will give it that little sweet taste. And it smells really good also. Now we can put in our fruit. And I'm going to put in my blueberries. And next, my pineapples. And it's good to make sure that your fruit is frozen. If you have the fresh strawberries and fruits, you can always pop them in the freezer and freeze them. This helps to make the smoothie real nice and have a real nice consistency and kind of a slushy taste to it. Now we're just going to pop the top on, and we are going to let this chop up, and it is a nice pretty purplish looking drink. And we're going to just pop the top off, and we're just going to pour some in the glass. This looks so good, guys. Ooh, I'm always wasting some. It's okay, I'll get it. Look at that. Nice consistency. I'm going to get it all in there, and then I'm going to come back and show it all prettied up for you.